Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, on episode 2 of Flip Flop Body Shop, today, no flip flops. We're going to swap out some bumpy shocks. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed learning what you learned today, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section below and let us know. And if you see something different that you think we could have done better, put that in the comment section as well. Enjoy the clip. All right, everybody, that's about going to do it for today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section. And also let me know if you enjoyed the content today. Just drop it in the comment section. And that's going to do it for how to swap out struts DIY and save a few dollars. Bigfoot out.